This has quickly developed into a serious diplomatic spat between Australia and Turkey over remarks made by Turkish President Recep Erdogan that's brought this response from his Australian counterpart.
Remarks have been made by the Turkish President Erdogan that I consider highly offensive to Australians and highly reckless in this very sensitive environment.
He's talking about the claim made by Erdogan that the alleged Australian gunman in the Christchurch shootings had also made threats against people in Turkey. He went further, saying if Australians came to Turkey to do harm, they would face the same fate as Australian soldiers killed in the First World War Battle of Gallipoli.
If you come with the same intentions, you are always welcome. Have no doubt, we will send you back like your grandfathers.
Erdogan has already been widely criticised for making political capital out of the Christchurch shootings by showing footage from the attacks at his rallies. But the memory of the thousands of Australians who died in Gallipoli is revered here, and people are offended if that's not respected. Turkey's ambassador was called in to explain Erdogan's comments, but he didn't satisfy the Australian government.
We had a frank exchange with the Prime Minister, and the Gallipoli spirit will always remain. That's all I can say. Thank you.
Australia's Prime Minister promising to take this further.
I will wait to see what the response is from the Turkish government before taking further action, but I can tell you that all options are on the table.
But also promising that any response will be measured so it doesn't escalate the tension. Rob McBride, Al Jazeera, Sydney.